Hi, my friends, this is Ian over at Buildabizonline. Now, if you want to build a website and you need some hosting, which is what we call web space, then you could get that at what we call buildabizonline.com. This is where we teach people how to build affiliate businesses and also the tools that you need to build an affiliate business. Okay, now over the times I've built many websites. This one here is buildabizonline.com, so this is just a simple website, okay, with a few links across the top. And if I go back, this is the TA camping. This is my hobby. Totally awesome camping is. And I've put this together, and that's me there, look. Okay, so that's another one. And this is a traffic blog. Okay, there are many types of affiliate marketers, and some of them need traffic, so I've built that one for people to look at. We've got another one here. This is an Indian takeaway. Now, don't get hungry. Please don't get hungry. This is a simple one I did for a local shop, and this enables me to get free Indian food. So there you go, guys. If you need web hosting or anything else to do with affiliate marketing, the tools, necessary tools that you need, then all you need to do is just let me know, and we can sort that out. I'll send you some details, okay? So thanks for listening, and bye for now.